Uber has filed for permission with the SEC, Securities and Exchange Commission, and I think in the next 6 months, you should be able to purchase Uber stock if you so desire. So this is what happens now. So Uber will hire an investment bank or investment banker. It's not your commercial bank like Regions, bank or Bank One. It's not. Chase has an Chase is a diversified bank. Chase is a commercial bank, also an investment bank. Okay, what does an investment bank do? One of the things that an investment bank does is to help private firms go public. Okay, they help private firms go public. Can I name some famous investment banks in the US? Yes. Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, okay, Merrill Lynch. These are big name investment. They do many other things, okay, but one of the things they all do is help private firms go public. So Uber will contact an investment bank, okay, and they'll negotiate. Because you see, right now, if you want to buy an eBay share, in the ballpark, how much you are going to have to pay for one eBay share. But how much is one share of Uber worth? Nobody knows. Why? Because there is no trading going on. It's only when buyers buy and sell that okay, one share of Google is worth that much, AT&T is worth that much, Humana and Amazon, so on. So nobody knows, what the value of Uber is. So this investment bank, it will place a value on the firm, Uber. Okay, hypothetically speaking. Uber's value is, hypothetically speaking, $1 billion. Of course, it's gonna be more than $1 billion, 9 zeros, $1 billion. So this is what the bank will tell Uber. And Uber may or may not agree, but eventually they'll come to some sort of compromise. So $1 billion, okay. How many shares will be sold, after you have gone public? How many shares will there be? There will be 10 million shares. So you take the value of the firm, divide by 10 million. 10 million will be this here. So one share will be worth how much? If you cancel out these, so one share is worth $100. So one share, $100 a share. So this bank helps value, and this is what we do in finance. In high level classes, we teach you how to value firms, how to come up with, value per share. So the two parties agree that one Uber share is worth $100. All right? So the investment bank will help value Uber, put a price on the company. Now, the next thing, the bank will buy all of the Uber stock, 10 million shares. Sell us all the 10 million shares, or howsoever many you want to sell to the public. Okay? At what price? $100 a share. So this is what, so they take the risk. Sell us everything you want to sell to the public. We will sell to the public. You don't sell to the public, you sell to us. Now, so the price is this, $100 per share, okay? But the bank will buy all of the shares at 7% discount. That's generally their fee, 7% discount. So $100 a share is the price that you will pay when you buy Uber shares. Less 7%, 7% will be $7. So investment bank will pay, not immediately, $93 per share to Uber. Okay, buy everything. The payment will be made later on. And then the investment bank will have a network. The bank will have a network, sales network, you can say, network of dealers and brokers. And once the deal has been done, the bank will buy all of the shares from Uber, and the bank will turn around and let loose its sales force, okay, brokers, dealers. And if you're an investor, you're waiting. So you call your broker, hey, Uber is going public. I want to buy some Uber shares. So So eventually what will happen, the process is more detailed. I don't think you need to know it at this time. Eventually, the bank will, through its network, will be able to sell all of the stock. You are here. Remember, this is where you are. So this is called the primary market. Okay, I'll come back and explain one more time. So you through your broker, you send your dollars here, primary market. Okay, primary market, and your dealer could be a part of the network, so your dollar is traveling this way, and eventually your money ends up with Uber, okay, and the Uber stock will travel this way. You may or may not want to, clutter the picture, so the stock travels this way, so you receive the Uber stock in due time. Okay, so this happens in the primary market. So what is this primary market? A primary market is one in which private companies go public. Okay, this is the market in which private firms go public, or new stock is sold, new bonds are sold, new loans are made, all new securities are sold in general. So a private market is one in which new securities are sold, brand new securities are sold. Private firm going public, or for example, Walmart could be selling new stock, okay? Maybe Walmart wants to expand to Africa or Europe or some other places, so Walmart will do the same thing, even though Walmart is not a private firm. Walmart is already a public firm. So anytime a firm wants to sell new securities, what do I mean by securities? I mean stocks and loans and all other kinds of preferred stock, common stock, whatever you can think of. Okay, so this is the primary market. Any questions? I'm sure you have some questions. Anything I can help you with? Any missing information, any questions you have?